Mrs. Campbell, could you recall what you
Yeah,
remember?
man. So me in a shop.
When was this?
When me dey go a shop again? Monday. On Monday me go a shop.
Monday, what time?
So me dey go for my lunch. So it was about lunchtime. About 12 something. Me don't really remember, but about 12 something.
Right, okay.
And officer, me see this man, but me didn't really pay him the mind, you know, because the way this man did just a walk, he did a walk and a wind up himself a little bit, you know. Me say, no man, that man must want to use the toilet. But officer, when me take a step now, the man just have full up him bag of beer things.
So you confirm you saw him stealing?
Officer, the man did a thief out his door.
Okay. Right, could you describe what he looked
Yeah,
like?
man,
How
so
tall
this
was
man, him the tall, you know.
Right.
But him never too tall.
Oh.
Irwa. Him did about 4 height, but shorter.
What race
Yeah,
was
man,
he?
a one red skin youth officer. An officer, he head did big and round like one bummy, and him body did slim like one frankfurter. Officer, you not think that unbalance for him head for so big and him body for so slim?